Here's our story so far. Just about completed. Let's just go through a few things. This was fixed up, a little bit of fiberglass on the inside. Seems to be alright. Cleaned up the chain really well. It's not bad. Waiting on an air cleaner still. That's supposedly coming probably in about a week or so. So we'll just wait for that one. No rush on that one. Now I've still got to fit the choke in the carby and a few lines, air lines. So we'll put the tank on probably this afternoon and we'll try to start it after lunch sometime. Put in some water, some coolant, and see how that goes. Still have to fit the gear change and that cover that was broken, but failing that, we've installed a brand new front caliper. The old one was a little bit frozen up, pretty old I suppose, so not to worry, that was quite cheap. That does fit. I've just got to bleed the brakes. We've fitted all the components to hold all the cabling and that. We've done the forks. We topped it up with 290ml of fluid. That's what Dr. Google told me. Google's always right. Yeah, done all that. Water's in. Radiator's all hooked up, ready to go. Got to hook up the carbies, that's all. It's not a big job. A couple of cables. Got the battery in. And fixed up the brake pedal. I think I need a little bit more throw on that because it's not much, so I have to work out what to do there. I think it's that adjustment on that screw there, so I'll check out that. Everything's all in place. We've replaced the pads on the back. They were that far down that it was extended in and they wouldn't retract out. Got new bearings in the rear wheel. That was loose. Give it a shake and it was fairly loose and that. Now she's nice and tight, spins nice and free. Happy about that. Bled the back brake, that all works. Hooked up some new indicators on the back because they were broken off, so I've just got some El Cheapo LEDs on there. Made up this sleeve on the lathe. Half-hour job, easy job, and we're pretty right with all the electrics. Indicators all work. Indicators work, the lights work, the headlight. High and low beam. Happy about that. So, and it does crank. So pleased about that. All of the electrics that work. really happy. So we're gonna tomorrow fit all the other components on, like the tank, the side covers, the seat. We should have bled the brakes by tonight. Got it started tonight. So maybe go for a ride tomorrow, if not Monday. So all in all, we're pretty happy. The boots arrived on the front. You can see they're new. They were purple. Looked a little bit weird to me, so we ended up with blue ones. We've still got a purple seat though. I might spray that black. Yeah, I'll just spray it, I think. Yeah. So all in all, we're happy about how it all went. And I'll catch you all later. Thanks a lot for watching. See ya.